Hi everyone, welcome to our video today in which we're going to be talking about cicada. That's right, insect. And as always, when we're talking about healing herbs here at White Rabbit Institute of Healing, we are referring to the entire pharmacopoeia. This is not an uncommon use of the word. Technically, herbs do mean just flowers and leaves, but over time, because of the number of insects and snake skins and minerals and a wide variety of other natural healing compounds, they have collectively just been called healing herbs. So we do the same thing. So I don't want that to confuse you. There are about 3,000 different species of cicada. And we're going to be looking at, I want you to be aware of primarily two. One is Cicada septendissum. That's the western variety commonly found. And then the eastern, the TCM variety, is Cryptotympano pustulata. And this variety, the molted exoskeleton, that is what means molted, means it naturally falls off, is used as a medicine. Now, cicadas are a food. They're a culinary herb as well as a medicinal herb. It's the traditional Chinese medicine, this eastern variety that's been used as a medicine, and it's the exoskeleton specifically that's used as the medicine. The insect body is not used medicinally. It is a culinary food, incredibly high in protein, enjoyed Asia, Africa, Central and South America, Australia, New Zealand. More and more studies are showing that cultures that make use of foods high in chitin, which is the topic of our video today, this connection between cicada and chitin as one of its most active compounds, is a reduction in cancer and a wide variety of other illnesses. So let's dive into what's true about chitin. So chitin is the active compound in these shells, and it's increasingly being studied more and more and more because what it's being discovered, it's kind of an insoluble, what's known as an insoluble prebiotic fiber, which means a lot of it just washes through your system. So for a long time, they didn't think it meant much. Like the body doesn't really want it, it's not harmful, it just goes through. What they're discovering is that in being a fiber, it is actually showing incredibly important properties relative to the gut biome altogether, promoting health in big ways. So chitin is now known to be anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, wound healing. It's very increasingly being used to make suture threads. That's when you have an injury and you got to be sewed up. Bandages for wounds and sponges because it's incredibly biodegradable, and it's got antibacterial, antifungal properties, can lower cholesterol. So a lot of important properties to it. The chitin is found in these exoskeletons. It's also found in exoskeletons of crickets. It's found in mushrooms, much smaller degree. Shellfish, shells, like shrimp with the, again, exoskeletons. So this is one to be paying attention to as more and more research comes out and explains some of the healing properties of this, though the plant is also, the insect is also high protein, one of the best quality high proteins available as well, lots of minerals in it, so it's got a lot of important qualities. Having a strong gut biome is going to allow you to reduce the risk of diarrhea, constipation, hemorrhoids, irritable bowel syndrome, obesity, hypertension that can come together. Those two can play off each other in a very unpleasant dance, if you will, for one's health. And chitin also is being seen to help control the absorption of nutrients, which is really, really important to the gut biome as well. So not only is it in the fiber sense, pulling things out and away, getting rid of toxins you don't want in your system, but it's helping to slow the digestion a little bit so that more nutrients can be absorbed, so you're getting what you need out of all the food. Chitin is a compound you're going to want to look at more, and you're going to want to know more about cicadas. They're amazingly important for the environment, for as a culinary food and also as a medicine. Visit White Rabbit Institute of Healing to find out more about this incredibly important gift from Mother Nature.